today we're going to be building some picture frames. Actually, it's a poster frame. What we want to do is show you some moldings and some possibilities and see if we can help you create some beautiful things at home. We're going to just dado this out, and no matter where you do it, just be sure that you're using a proper setup. Use your guards the best you can. So what I'm doing now is I'm just setting that fence back the right distance. So we'll get that set and then we'll run this baby through there. Okay, so we've got it laid out. It looks like a pretty good fit. We've got just a little bit of extra room there, so that we're not, crowding that, trying to jam that plastic down into a tight fit. Figured out it was really nice to have an extra set of hands. So we just glued it and clamped it. We're going to let it dry, and then you're really ready to go as far as the frame for, finishing and all of that.